Today, I'll show you how to make high-quality 3D animated stand-up comedy videos for free. Yes, you heard that right. Free. As in $0. As in you're broke and still trying to be funny. Now, relax. You don't need any experience in 3D animation. You don't even need a brain cell. And no, we're not using any of those AI video generators that spit out lifeless, copyright-confused junk. We're making real, monetizable content, the kind of stuff that can maybe, just maybe, pull you out of your mom's basement. We'll be using a software called Replikant, but first you need the Epic Games Launcher. Don't panic, both are free. And no, it's not rocket science. If you can't install a program in 2025, you might be better off selling your soul or your dignity on eBay. So go to Google, type Unreal Engine download, click the first link, download it, install it. If you need a tutorial on how to click a download button, this is not the video for you. In fact, go touch grass. Once you've installed the Epic Games Launcher, open it, go to the store, search for Replikant, hit install. Wait, or don't, I don't care. Now, open Replikant. When it launches, you'll see an interface that looks like it was made by someone who still has nightmares about Windows Vista. We'll be using Story Mode, because of course we are. Pick a scene. There are plenty to choose from. Bars, comedy clubs, dark alleyways where your dreams went to die. You can also create your own scenes, but that's for another video. Or never, depends on my mood. Once your scene is selected, it's time to choose a character. Male, female, cartoonish, or just plain creepy, there's something for everyone. Pick the one you like. You'll probably choose the cartoon one, because let's be honest, you already look like a rejected Pixar design. Now waste a solid hour customizing your character's hair, clothes, and existential crisis. After that, we move on to the script. If you've made it this far in the video, chances are you don't have one. It's okay, neither do I. We're both frauds. Use ChatGPT or Gemini. Type something vaguely funny, pretend it's original. Now, click Add Dialogue. Paste your script, line by line, like a real professional who's faking it till they make it. You can auto-assign camera angles, you can even match the voice tone to the mood of the line. Impressive, right? Almost makes you feel like you're talented. Once that's done, hit Generate. Boom, you've made a video. It'll cost you some tokens, because of course it will. You'll get some for free. After that, the subscription is cheap enough that you won't need to sell a kidney. Probably, I don't know. Click subscribe and pretend you'll cancel later. You won't. Then just click Render. And congratulations, you've created your first animated comedy video. Will it be funny? No promises, but hey, it exists, and that's more than we can say about your motivation last week. Now, before you ask, no, I won't show you how to edit this, add music, or put in funny sound effects. That's not my job. That's your problem. Go watch another Poor Souls tutorial on that. That's it for today. If you liked the video, good for you. If not, I couldn't care less. Subscribe anyway, because I just wasted an hour of my life teaching you how to do something that probably won't make you famous. See you in the next video, or not. Bye.